Want to get heard and paid for the streams of your music? Then get your music metadata in order. Metadata makes your music discoverable and ensures that you earn royalties.
I just bought a giant room full of gold coins and I'm gonna dive into it like Scrooge McDuck.
Being professional with your music also means being professional with your metadata. Metadata allows your music to be stored, sorted, and identified wherever your music is available. That means platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, and even Shazam. So what is all this metadata? Track title, genre, subgenre, primary artist, featured artist, composer, publisher, producer, additional contributors, explicit content, lyrics language, lyrics publisher, composition owner, year of composition, master recording owner, year of the recording, and release language. The more detailed your music metadata is, the more easy it will be to deliver your music to the right listeners. If the metadata is incorrect or incomplete, then it won't make the cut for digital distribution. Want to learn more? Hit that subscribe button.